Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of intraday trading. First, we look about what is the intraday trading. Intraday trading involves buying and selling stock within same trading day. We can either buying or selling opportunity is there. Particular stock we can sell and buy, and particular stock we can buy and sell. There is two opportunities in the same stock is there. Also, and the same day we must close the position. How to choose stock for intraday trading? In our exchanges, explore over the 4500 stock listed on the both exchanges. So for the intraday, in 4500 stocks, how to choose for intraday trading? Let's see step by step. In first, highly liquidity stocks. Select stocks that have highly trading volumes. What is the liquidity? In railway station, we purchase one water bottle. For 10 rupees, we purchase water bottle. If there is water, it means liquidity. If there is no water, means no liquidity, right? This is the liquidity. We must, whenever buy the stocks, the stock should be trading the high volume. Second point, analyze the 52-week high and low values. Why we need to analyze 52-week high and low? Because this one helpful for the identify potential entry and exit points, right? Let's assume that particular stock trading in the 52-week high. In common people, we are what will think, okay, this one breakout, 52-week breakout. So we go for the long position. What will happen? Big player manipulate the market. They make a retracement, then go for the another high. So our stop loss will be hit. Same scenario for the 52-week low. So what we will think? This stock fundamentally good company. So we go for the again long position. Big players what will do? Again manipulate the market. 52-week low, it will be the break. Again we are trapped, right? That's why we need to analyze the 52-week high and low. Okay. Next, medium to high volatility. Stock with significant price fluctuation, it will provide more opportunity for profit. 1 point, stock doesn't move more than 1 point or more than below the 1 point. What will happen? We lose our money, right? We need to choose the high volatility. How we will choose the high volatility? In tradingview.com, there is stock screener. You choose first market capitalization. Market capitalization should be large cap. Then beta. Beta, it's a 2 is the better one. If below 1 means low volatility, 2 means medium to high volatility. More than 4 means high fluctuation, high volatility. So we can third point, we must consider the high volatility stock for the profit. In fourth point, demand and supply. Stock with high trade volume indicate strong demand and supply. What is demand and supply? Whenever break the resistance, there is support break, demand zone is creating. Advantage of intraday trading. First point, quick profits. Potential to make profit within the single day, right? Instant credit, instant appreciation. The advantage for the intraday trade.
Reduce overnight risk. Two types of risk, one systematic and another one unsystematic. For example, if you are buying Nifty call option, make carry forward for next day. In this case, what will happen in overnight, in case there is war, nature disorder, anything happen, so this called unsystematic risk. So this is the advantage for the intraday trading, because we buy same day and closing position same day. Third point, lower margin needs. For example, Reliance stock currently trading in 1300. If you want delivery purchase 10 quantity, you need capital for 13,000. For intraday, broker to broker, they give the margin benefit. We require less capital. I make one slide, less capital compared to the long-term investment. So this benefit is the advantage intraday trading. Next, quick feedback and learning. You take entry and you achieve the target, you got immediate appreciation and quick feedback. And same thing, if you are hit stop loss, you learn something. So this is the advantage for the intraday trading. Regular trading opportunity. However, we will get daily opportunity to trade and get profit, use our capital.
Disadvantage. In previous we talk about advantage. So advantage opposite disadvantage. In day-to-day life we need to look advantage and disadvantage. Not only focus advantages. We have to predict disadvantages.
High risk and trust. We choose large cap stocks, beta, price range, demand and supply, everything we did all. Even though during live trading section, market will consolidate. This range will make stress. Sometimes there is risky. As I said earlier, it suddenly occur the transaction cost. For example, if you are buying the stock and close the position, for buy 20 rupees, closing position 20 rupees, for executed order 40 rupees, and other charges is there 100 rupees for per trade. Regular trading opportunity is advantages, but if you are calculate regular frequent trading can lead the high transaction fees per day 100 rupees. If you are calculating year, it's huge amount. Disadvantage for the intraday trading. And third point, limited analyze time. Yes, some people are daily different stocks they will trade. Decision need made quickly. We need to take quick action and limited information. So this will I will consider for the advantage, but daily not different stocks. Particularly, you will made 5 stock in the watch list, trade same 5 stock every day, you will get good opportunity. Tendency for over trading. Whenever stop loss hit, emotionally what we will do, we need to at least recover our some amount. Also there is transaction cost. This temptation to trade the excessively and lead the more losses. My suggestion is, before enter the share market, to practice with the paper trading. So you got the confidence and do the live trading. In case in live trading section, if you are hit stop loss, you back to again paper trading. Key indicator for intraday trading. First one, we look about moving average. For the moving average, it's help identify the trend direction and potential reversal points.
Bollinger Band.
Bollinger Band is good indicator indicating volatility and potential overbought and oversold condition. Third one, RSI. Compare with moving average Bollinger Band, RSI is the better indicator. You know why? It's measuring the speed and the change of price movement. Also, where we have to buy, where we have to sell. It's clearly give the information for the RSI. I will share another one slide. Same RSI, 14 days close. It's cross above 80, green cross to red, it means sold condition. So we can sell, entry position and buy again. Same next one, trend reversal, 30 crossover, red, green crossover, that one trend reversal. And at the end of the section now, intraday trading tips, strategy and basic rules. First point, choose 2 or 3 liquidity shares. As I said earlier, don't choose 2 or 3. Make it 5 stock. It should be large cap and within the price range we will get regular opportunity. So choose 5 stocks. And second point, determine entry and target. Paper trading, we everything exercise. In live market, we should know clearly entry and exit position. To manage our risk and lock in the profit. So this one helpful for the RSI indicator. Place stop loss for lower back. Stop loss, loss stop. Why we need to make the stop loss? To protect our capital and minimize loss. We will get next opportunity to recover our amount. Okay, so stop loss is must. And fourth point, book your profit when target reached. Some people what will do, some up stocks, there is some benefit is there. You determine the target. This target is already reached. Whenever your target hit, exit the, close the position and just market watch. it's wherever go, no issue. You will get opportunity for next stocks. Okay, to your plan and take profit when your target is meet. And last point, don't move against the market. Open the gap up 200 points. So people will think market will reverse because already 200 points move on. In Nifty, go another guy, another go for another 200 points. So we don't chase the market. Should be follow the market trends to avoid trading against it. Okay. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please like and share and subscribe. For more trading tips and strategy, happy trading. Thank you for watching. Thank you. See you next section.